Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be tying a 2-minute gele for church, and this gele is as beginner friendly as it can be. So first off, the measurement for this gele is 50-50. And how do you get 50-50 measurements? You just take your gele, divide it into two, then place the middle part on your head. So you start to make your pleats, and yeah, I made 3 base pleats. You can make 2, you can make 3, you can make 4, and I'm trying to align them on my ears. So I come to the back, and because this gele is an equal length gele, you can decide to put any flap up and any flap down. So you start to twist, just make a twist, make sure your twist is firm, and as you make a twist for the first flap, also make a twist on the second flap. So once you are done making your twist, you want to come and tie it at the side. Please, you can choose the left side, you can choose the right side. Just make sure that your twist is sitting on your head. You have to be careful because it's easy for your twist to shift. So I am making the second knot, and just make sure you secure really well on your head. So once you are done, the remaining part of the flap, just spread it and tuck the first one in on the right, the second one in on the left, and voila, you have your church gele. Make sure you tuck it in well. If it's not staying, you can use your pins to secure it, but in this video I did not use any pin. So even if you don't have pins, you can tie this gele. You don't have skills, you definitely can tie this gele. Once you're done and you like the way your gele is looking, just come and shift your gele to the back a little bit to show off your hairline, and you are done with your gele. It's time to go to church. So if this is your first time on my channel, welcome. I hope that you like this video and subscribe. If you're a returning subscriber, don't forget to hit the like button and drop your comments, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.